So we are going to first download Anaconda and then install the Anaconda. To download the Anaconda, quick do a Google search. Since I'm using a Linux machine, I'll go to installing on Linux. And as we scroll through, first we have to download the Anaconda installer for Linux. I suggest you to download Python 3.7 version. Download, you can save file and then it will be downloaded. And then we can close this and you can go to the terminal. So after you have downloaded, in downloads you should have Anaconda. You should have this file. So what we are going is we are going to do cd, and then now we are going to install Anaconda by using the bash command. You should do bash home and then the location where you have the Anaconda file. Since right now we have it in downloads, we'll do downloads Anaconda file, and you can enter. You have to go through all the, you can scroll, or you should answer yes, you accept the terms, conditions. You can enter, and then it's going to install Anaconda. It's going to take a few minutes. Now you can process. It's done. So what we're going to do now, we have Anaconda installed. Next thing we need to install is joblib using the pip command. But since if you have pip command, it will probably install joblib easily. But since we don't have pip command, we need to install the pip. So for that, we'll use this command. So sudo apt install python. Sudo apt install python 3. Okay. We are using python 3 because we have installed python 3. So now we have installed python 3, we'll install joblib. And then we have to install numpy. You see, I'm using pip3, and then install numpy. And then we have to install sklearn. And for the last time, we'll install xboost version 9. Now we are done. We can run the program. So I have all my files in documents. So I have the folder UI. In UI, you should have three folder, one final models, one folder final models that contains all the models, and readme.txt and ui.py. So I'm going to run UI.py. You can run, so I'm going to do Python. Be sure to do Python 3 UI.py. So it will ask me to enter the sample. I'll copy this. You can enter the sample. So right here, you will separate all the samples using comma. And you'll wait. So these are the predicted features. If you like to pass the features in while doing Python UI as arguments, you can do paste. And why the one thing is, when you are passing the arguments using Python UI.py, you have to get rid of all the commas in between, because the system recognizes everything will be parsed by the spaces. The arguments are passed by spaces. And here are the predicted performance features. That's it. Thank you.